Understanding, ring the dinner bell, a dive into idiomatic expressions. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, ring the dinner bell. Whether you're learning English as a second language or simply love exploring idiomatic expressions, this video is for you. We'll break down its meaning, origin, and how you can use it in everyday conversation. So, let's get started. At its most basic level, ring the dinner bell refers to the literal action of ringing a bell to signal that a meal is ready to be served, especially dinner. Historically, this was common in larger households or farms where calling everyone to dinner required an audible signal. However, in a broader sense, the phrase has taken on a figurative meaning. It is often used to indicate that an event or action serves as a signal or call to action for people to gather, participate, or take advantage of an opportunity. Just like ringing an actual dinner bell would gather people to eat, using this phrase figuratively gathers people for a figurative meal or opportunity. Understanding the historical context helps us appreciate how this phrase evolved. The tradition of ringing a bell for meals dates back to a time before modern communication methods. In large estates, farms, or schools, a bell was an effective way to announce meals across large distances or to a large number of people. Over time, the action of ringing the dinner bell became deeply embedded in culture, leading to its figurative use. It signifies the start of something appealing or the availability of something desirable, much like dinner is a welcome part of the day. 1. Literal use. If you're announcing meal times in a fun, traditional way, you might say, "It's time to ring the dinner bell." 2. Figurative use. In a business meeting, you might hear, "Launching this new product will ring the dinner bell for investors." Here, it means the product launch will attract investors much like a dinner bell attracts people to the table. 3. Encouraging participation. In a community event, saying, "Let's ring the dinner bell and get this event started," can be a metaphorical way of rallying people's attention and participation. Remember, using phrases like these not only makes your English sound more natural but also shows your understanding of cultural nuances. Thank you for joining us to explore the meaning and usage of ring the dinner bell. Whether used literally or figuratively, this phrase is a charming way to convey gathering, opportunity, and readiness. We hope this video helps you in your journey to master the English language. Until next time, keep practicing and exploring the beauty of idiomatic expressions. Happy learning!